You laughing? I can't believe you laughing. Huh? Yeah. Hey, all of a sudden he just breaks out into laughter. Yeah. Yeah.
He's so focused on it.
Everybody's look at him. Wow. What was that all about? What was that all about? Huh? What was that all about? So all day long you keep quiet and now you are rewarding everybody with all this fun. Huh? I just did, you know,
Yeah, he likes that.
He was
likes that.
like the
Jai करता हूँ तो जय करता हूँ तो जय करता हूँ तो I think I'm जय करता हूँ तो जय now it's like this is pick me up, you know, get me out of here.
Yeah, is that the...
Yeah, that's your way of telling me, get me out of here. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Look at him. What a difference a day makes. Yeah.
I would
Yeah.
think he would be very tired.
Huh?
Does he do that
Yeah.
to you guys too?
Oh my
or just
gosh.
to-
All the
No.
time. Like,
Oh,
Yeah.
I go when he was doing it, I make funny noises.
All the way back. I was like trying to, because I just brushed my teeth and got in the car.
Go with you.
And I was putting my
Go
lips in
with
the
you.
couch, you know?
Go with you. Go
And then
with
I
you.
was like bending like this and that. You saw my eyes.
Blah, blah, blah,
He
blah,
focuses a lot.
blah, 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 blah.
Daddy, I'm scared of the video.
Blah, blah, blah. Who करते हो तो? जी करते हो तो? हाँ? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Where did all this come from? Where did all this come from all of a sudden? Where did that come from? Oh my God! Where did that come from?
He's like on a roll.
He's on a roll.
Did you guys give him some tea?
He is on a roll. What'd you give him?
He just does this sometimes.
Here.
Is he on drugs or something?
No, he just does this sometimes.
Oh no, that's so crazy.
Interactive.
You're so crazy. You're so funny. You're so funny. You're so funny. No. All of it. Where did that come from?
All of a sudden,
Yeah, you were laughing. You were laughing. He can't make up his mind whether he wants to laugh or cry. Yeah, he want to laugh or cry. You can't. What happened?
Yeah, he full on giggles. Like sometimes I'll be playing.
Silly. Boo boo. Do your thing, boo boo. Babu. Boo boo, look here, monkey. Hi, silly. Yeah. Hi, Babu. Can you make your little noise? Make your little noise, boo boo. What do? You go. What is that noise? What is that noise? Huh? What is that noise? Who makes that silly noise? Who makes that noise, boo boo? You can do it. Come on, you were just doing it. What is that? Yes, Boo Boo. Babu? Hi, Cindy. Show us your new trick, Babu. Show us. Daisy. What do you do with your mouth? Do it, do it. Yeah? So then what happened? What are you doing? What you doing? Huh? Can you do it? Do your trick. You do it. Yeah. Yes. Hi, boo-boo. Yeah. Yeah. Did you just finish your baby massage? You had a nice baby massage, huh? Yeah? You have yeah? You liked your massage? Yeah? Yes, boo-boo. Oh, really? Yeah? So you're ready to go take a shower now? Oh, you ready to go take a bath? Wow. Yeah? Yeah. Yes, boo-boo? Are you ready to go take a bath now? You ready to go take a bath? Because you had a nice massage, huh? Hi, Babu. What? Yeah, look, you've discovered your toes. You've discovered how to grab your toes. Now you like grabbing your toes, don't you? Yes, they're attached to your body. What? Yes. Yeah. Yes. What you doing? Yeah, you learned how to make noises with your mouth.
So they see all that stuff. I don't know if it's in their head or it's, I guess it's the constant conundrum of, do I really remember that or did I see it somewhere?
Yeah. You're pretty crafty with them too, aren't you?
Yeah, we do a lot of fun stuff. I build furniture in my spare time, so, I built an easel for their school. We were trying to show a picture of it, but we couldn't get it to work. But they help out, for their preschool. It's like 10 feet long. It's 4 kids can paint under it.
So here's Naveen doing his new little thing with his mouth.